Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today I use the newest Boxycharm to do this smoky look. So if you want to see how I did it, stay tuned. I am going to start with the MAC Strobe Cream. I love the Strobe Cream Primer, and I feel like everyone I know has been loving the luminous dewy look lately. So with that, I'm going to use the Urban Decay Stay Naked. I love this foundation. It is like super natural finish, I'd say, but you can make it luminous and dewy with the right primers. Summer grabbing us if you want it. Best you ever had, give it to you. Now I'm going to use the Too Faced Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer. Alright, now I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Tan Tour. Perfectly blended. No, I'm just blending. So as of lately, I've been using the flat edge to do my nose here. I'm the girl that they don't talk about, quiet with a big mouth. I pressed down a little too hard. Got it a little smudged, but that's alright. We're gonna blend it out anyway. But if you can do that a little more carefully than I just did, it works out really well, I promise. So I'm going to mix the Ciate Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Powder with the Laura Mercier because I want like the brightness of the coconut setting powder, but I really like the consistency of the Laura Mercier. Okay, so I want my skin to look like perfect today, so I'm going to use the Laura Mercier on the rest of my face because it gives like the most beautiful picture perfect finish. I'm just gonna make sure because I want some really straight edged lines today. Use the edges to your advantage. So I'm gonna blend out this new Aesthetica Sunset Bronzer. It looks almost like it's a cooler brown, but I have a feeling that when I blend it, it's gonna be warmer. I actually really like this bronzer. It's not like super warm tone, it's more of like a brown tan color. And I'll like that. I'm going to use the MAC Into Eternity. It's kind of like a blush and bronzer. Wipe away the extra powder. And then I'm going to highlight with this super old palette, but I just still love it. It's the Pure Sculptor Highlight and Contour palette. It's ages old, but it works out really nice. I like the darker highlighter in here for the summertime. Okay, I'm happy with that skin. Now I'm going to set it. So I'm going to use a couple different things to set it today. I'm going to use the Jamie Genevieve and U-Tan collab. It's a facial tanning spray and it smells like lavender and it's got CBD in it. But it works pretty well as a setting spray and it also bronzes your face a little bit. And then I'm going to use the MAC Fix Plus as well. You guys know I can't stop. Ta-da! And that is my favorite skin right now. I'm going to zoom you guys in and do my eyes. I've got pretty much all of this month's Boxycharm, so I believe it's August's Boxycharm. Pretty sure. Really bad at opening them on time. I have this I Am Inspiring Brow Pencil from Real Her. Super curious about this because I have not yet used it. Okay, so So this is what my brows look like with just that pencil. Honestly, I could totally leave them like this. They don't look bad at all. However, I'm not going to just leave them like this because, you know, it's not who I am as a person. And I am going to cut the rest of this out of the video just because it takes too long. So if you want to see how I did my brows, check out my Instagram. I'll put it on there. I'm using the Morphe Boxycharm August set as well. I love this set actually. I use these brushes all the time, so I'm going to use them today. Now I'm going to prime my eyes with the P. Louise eye base. So you really need like very little of this. In fact, I think it works better when you use a lesser amount. So I'm gonna just tap that onto my eye. Okay, so I am going to use this new palette from Butter London called Teddy Boy. Also brand new from Boxycharm this month. Didn't even take off the plastic yet. It's so pretty. There it is. So I'm gonna use Nigel first. Next, I'm going to use Simon, which is a taupe kind of color here. I'm gonna start with brown, so I'm gonna do the Graham first. I'm going to take the smallest brush in the All I Want and use Rupert, which is this beautiful navy blue, which kind of matches the packaging. Kind of digging the coppery one. Last, I'm going to use the white shimmery shade called Archie. So I'll show you guys. This was Billy on the lid here. And then this is Archie, which is really just like a white looking shimmer. I'm gonna go ahead and go below my eyes with Rupert. Same brush, which is rather dangerous considering it's kind of wide for this. First, I'm going to take Simon again and put him below my eye, below Rupert. I'm gonna use the Too Faced Better Than Sex liner. Yeah, we could be taking control if we try to believe in anything greater than a miracle. It wouldn't be this difficult if we... So I'm gonna use the Lily Lashes mascara. It's called Triple X mascara. I am going to use the Tati Lashes and Jamie Genevieve collab. I am going to line my lips with MAC Strip Down Liner. Okay, and then I'm going to use Act Natural from MAC lipstick. At this point I feel like I shouldn't even tell you what I'm using, so I'm about to mix 18 of them. I just want to get the right kind of caramely brown color. This is not quite what I want, so I'm going to put on Bow and Arrow from Kat Von D liquid lip around the edges. If we try to believe in anything greater than a miracle, I think I'm gonna put Myth on from MAC.
2 hours later.
Still not quite right, so I'm gonna put a little bit of Bare Bling. You guys are always like, what do you use on your lips? And I'm like, you don't wanna know. I should just make my own line of makeup because it's basically what I do to get the colors that I want. Okay, and then I'm gonna do the lip injection. This is my favorite lip gloss. Lip Injection Extreme lip gloss from Too Faced. Okay, so this is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye! What am I doing? This is the opposite of what I want to do. Let's see if I can maneuver this accurately. Now I have 200 followers, which is quite a lot more than I ever had before, and now there's foundation in my hair. Just beauty blend it out, it's fine. Beauty hack. What was that? Okay, so I was using the wrong fucking power cord for my ring light, and because of that it was working, but it melted through and I burnt my hand on it. That's how hot it was. Wow. I put that thing in the fridge. I didn't want it to start a fire. Do you see that spot? What is that? What is that? What is that spot? Bronzer. This new, I'm gonna, okay, I'm gonna try over. I'm gonna try again. Till I check if it's even. Jane is not a lover. She's just a girl that thinks that I am the one. But the kid is not my son. Michael Jackson was ahead of his time. It sounds like 2020 relationships. Willow wants some attention. Say hi, Willow. Say hi. Say hi. Yeah. Oh, you're a nice little baby. My cat and my dog are over here trying to get my attention. I've been working for too long, apparently. Oh, it's okay. It's okay.